हेलो दोस्तों, सफारी ऑफ सोल्स में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट मितोद्रु और अंतरा। टुडे इज़ डे 2 ऑफ आवर आगरा ट्रिप। आज हम पहले ताजमहल देखने वाले हैं और फिर वहां से फतेहपुर सिकरी जाएंगे। Hello everyone. So today is 26th of December and right now we are going to Taj Mahal. It's 6:30 in the morning once again, and for people like us who are quite a bit late risers, it's a little difficult to do it consequently on 2 consecutive dates, waking up so early in the morning. So we have heard that when the first light of the sun falls on the Taj Mahal, the scene is pretty magnificent. Let's try it out. We are hoping for the best. Still the sun is not out actually. It's 6:30 but the sun is still not out. And she is dressed in a sari. She is actually getting ready. We have decided that we will try something traditional today out there, although there is nothing traditional about my clothes. My clothes is the same as always. But then again, let's hope for the best and let's see what happens in Taj Mahal. हम अभी ताजमहल के गेट के सामने खड़े हैं। गेट पे ही इतना खूबसूरत लग रहा है नज़ारा, तो फिर सोचिए दोस्तों अंदर ताजमहल कितना खूबसूरत लगेगा। कांट वेट टू सी इट। तो चलिए दोस्तों आगे चल के देखते हैं कि ताजमहल कितना खूबसूरत लगता है। Hello, so we have reached Taj Mahal. It was around 7 o'clock in the morning that we reached out here. It was freaking cold, and in spite of wearing all these things, as you can see, our hands were literally shivering out there. And so this is it. There's nothing much to say about Taj Mahal, as you know. Everybody knows everything, but you can see it in the background, and it's really beautiful. That is the entrance gate actually. See there? That's the entrance gate. There are 3 such gates, and on the 4th side there is the Yamuna river. And overall, still you can see some construction is going on, and it's beautiful. One of the most beautiful things that we have ever seen.
That's true.
And we have actually been in quite a few places in the country, truth be said. But this is unbelievable. It's a treat to the eyes, and it's definite.
Huge in size.
It's huge in size. Truly, it's huge in size. The architecture is unbelievable and unearthly, to be honest. And overall, it's one place in the country that one should visit and one must visit. Not just because of the heritage part, but just because of the history that it binds together. It's part of us, it's part of who we are, and that's why I think everybody in their life should at least come here once, just to see how great it truly was. And as you can see in the background, this is the place where like Shah Jahan and all the other Mughal emperors after him, they were actually walking through these steps out there. So that feeling that you get is actually worth it. It's more than $1 million, you can say. Anyways, now our next destination is Fatehpur Sikri, and we really need to hurry up. As you know, our timing is always kind of short. Yeah, see you in Fatehpur Sikri. Taj Mahal means the crown of the palace. It was commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in 1632 in the memory of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. The construction was completed in 1653. It is one of the World UNESCO Heritage Sites since 1983 and is also among the 7 wonders of the world. This is the winner of the new 7 wonders of the world from 2000 to 2007. Such is the magnificent beauty of this place that even Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore once quoted, "Teardrops in the cheeks of eternity." आने के टाइम पे कैब आपको पार्किंग लॉट तक लेके आएगा। वहाँ से आप टुक टुक करके यहाँ तक पहुँच सकते हो। द फेयर विल बी अराउंड ₹50। टिकट आपको ऑनलाइन बुकिंग करना पड़ेगा।
जब आप कैब से उतरोगे तो आपको बहुत सारे गाइड्स मिल जाएंगे, बट इट इज़ आवर पर्सनल सजेशन कि अगर आपको थोड़ा भी हिस्ट्री पता है अबाउट द प्लेस देन प्लीज़ डू नॉट टेक अ गाइड, क्योंकि फिर आप अपने हिसाब से पूरा जगह देख सकते हो। एंट्री गेट पे आपको बहुत सारे फोटोग्राफर्स मिल जाएंगे, और ये फोटोग्राफर्स आप डेफिनेटली लीजिए बिकॉज दे नो ऑल द एंगल्स एंड दे कैन टेक द फोटोज़ अकॉर्डिंगली। उन लोगों ने हमारा भी काफ़ी बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे फोटोग्राफ्स लिए हैं।
Yeah, hello. We are in hotel right now. Actually, after coming from Taj Mahal, we had to take our breakfast and it was complimentary, so we didn't want to miss that. And now that we had our breakfast and we have freshened up a bit as well, so our next destination is Fatehpur Sikri. It's 11:30. It will take around 1 hour to reach Fatehpur Sikri and around 3 to 4 hours to see that whole place. So yeah, really excited. See you there.
ब्रेकफास्ट में आपको बुफे सिस्टम में मिल जाएगा, और कॉन्टिनेंटल, नॉर्थ इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन सब कुछ यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा। Now we are on our way to Fatehpur Sikri by bus, and as you can see the road is absolutely marvelous. कार हमको पार्किंग लॉट तक लेके आता है और वहाँ से आपको बस और गाइड दोनों मिल जाएंगे। बस का फेयर है ₹10 पर पर्सन, एंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू गाइड आपको यहाँ पे नेगोशिएट करना पड़ेगा। हमारा गाइड हमको 1200 रुपये बोला था एंड वी ब्रॉट इट डाउन टू ₹300। तो सजेशन हमारा यही रहेगा कि आप गाइड के साथ नेगोशिएट ज़रूर करना।
Hello, yeah, we are in Fatehpur Sikri right now. As you can see behind me, yeah, we are Bengalis, so a lot of people must have seen Tansen's Tanpura, right? Okay. This is where actually Tansen used to sit, yeah, the one in the middle. Can you see it? Yes. So that is where he used to sit, and this place that you see, it was actually filled with water the whole time, and there were 4 pillars, you can say, that are attached on the 4 sides from where the people, particularly Akbar as well, used to sit out there. Legend says that there was a competition out here between 2 singers, Tansen and another singer also of great nature. So first that singer sang, and he sang Deepak Rag. What happened in Deepak Rag was like all the lotus flowers that was there in this place, they were set on fire. Then came Tansen's turn, and he sang another rag called Meghmalya. Meghmalya, right? Meghmalya, okay.
Meghomalar.
Meghomalar, sorry, my mistake. And with that song, there was rain out here, and it actually extinguished all the flames that was ignited previously. As a result of which, he won that competition. So this is where it is. So anybody who has seen that series, this is the history.
Initially, there was a village called Sikri out here where Akbar met a sheikh. Till that point of time, Akbar didn't have a child, but the sheikh blessed him that he will be having a child within 1 year. इसके बाद जहांगीर का बर्थ हुआ on the very next year, और इस शेख के सम्मान में शेख सलीम चिश्ती's टॉम्ब यहाँ पे अकबर ने बिल्ड किया था, और फतेहपुर सिक्री का भी कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट किया। फतेहपुर सिक्री का नाम पड़ा 1573 में, which means the city of victory, and it was done after Akbar's successful campaign in Gujarat. यहाँ पे बुलंद दरवाज़ा का भी कंस्ट्रक्शन किया गया है, which means the gateway of victory. ये कैपिटल ऑफ द मुगल एम्पायर था फ्रॉम 1571 to 1585। उसके बाद अकबर ने ये प्लेस छोड़ दिया था, एंड इन 1610 दिस प्लेस वाज कम्प्लीटली अबंडन मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ वाटर। ये वर्ल्ड यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट भी है।
Okay, in Fatehpur Sikri currently we are in Jodhabai's palace. As you can see behind me, This palace consists of two parts. No, not this one.
This one.
Okay. This one is actually the temple that you can see behind me. In the Jodha Akbar movie that you have seen, that Aishwarya Rai used to have a temple, well, this was it. And if you see on this side, this temple, it ain't a temple, it's one part of the palace actually. This palace was the summer palace. Why? Because during the winter time, the sun rays used to fall on this and it used to keep it warm. During the summers, if we look at the other side, you will see this palace. Yeah, I know the sun is actually falling on my eye. Anyways, so during winter time, she used to stay out here. So you can see the same queen is having two different palaces where we don't even have two bedrooms at some point of time. Anyways, that's the kind of lavishness that these people used to have. It's fascinating and the construction is absolutely magnificent. And yeah, it's great actually. It's wonderful to see this.
दोस्तों 3 से 4 घंटा हमने कैसे यहाँ पे बिता लिए हमें खुद पता नहीं चला। ये जगह इतना ही खूबसूरत है। आप लोग भी जब यहाँ पे आओगे तो एटलीस्ट एक दिन इसके लिए रिजर्व रखना। हमारे पास उतना टाइम नहीं था तो इसीलिए ताजमहल के साथ इसको कंबाइन करना पड़ा था, बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल नीड एन एंटायर डे टू सी दिस प्लेस प्रॉपर्ली। तो दोस्तों आज का सफ़र हमारा यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। यहाँ से हम कुछ लोकल डेलिकेसीज़ लेंगे और उसके बाद होटल चले जाएंगे। कल आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगा आगरा के एक और शान के साथ।